Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing my June Boxycharm. It's time for my June Boxycharm. I did take a look in here, which is I'm coming at you full face. No face of makeup because we have some skincare. It is a very skincare heavy box. Let's get started. I'm so excited. The theme of this month is squares. All right, let's just dive in. The first thing I see are two masks, vitamins, I don't know how you would pronounce that. What is that? It says they're biodegradable masks, experience the world's first ever range of biodegradable masks and packaging, allowing one-time use items to be more sustainable. Love that. They are $18 a piece. That's expensive. Do I want juicy berries or flower nectar? I want glow, so we're gonna go with the glow one. Oh, it smells good. It smells just like berries. You guys remember that commercial? Berries and cream, berries and cream. I think it was a Skittles commercial. Berries and cream, all the little letters, berries and cream. It is soaked. I don't like face masks that are this wet usually. I can't even get this open. How does it? Oh, here we go. It's so thin, I think because it is made from that biodegradable material that I'm so afraid of like ripping it. Okay, here we go. These always make me look crazy. All right. All right, it's on. I look nuts. Hannibal Lecter. It's the reason I don't like it because there's so much serum left in the bottom of this, and I'm like slightly a cheapskate, so I'm like, I don't want to get rid of that. But it says remove the mask from its packaging. After 20 minutes, remove the sheet mask and gently pat into your face. So I will see you guys in 20 minutes, and we'll see if this $18 sheet mask has done anything. I actually really like how plump and like moisturized and wet my skin feels. So let's move on. The next thing I see in here is this True and Luscious Flower Dose infused with hyaluronic acid plumping lip and eye serum. Weird. A supercharged treatment and serum and A supercharged treatment, serum, and primer for lips and eyes, designed to be used alone or as a nourishing base for makeup, infused with hyaluronic acid and a blend of botanicals, including orchid stem cells, rose, and passion fruit extracts. I don't understand how it plumps my lips and my eyes. Massage a thin layer over your lips and outer contours of your eye area. So I guess out here. It's got like a... This just may be me, but I hate anything that looks like a shot. It kind of like makes my skin crawl. Oh, I see. It's got like a lip gloss kind of, and I guess I would just like that. I don't know. I'm not excited to use it. Ugh, I hate pumping it out like this. Ugh. Where did that go? I guess I'll use it. I shot it across the room. I guess out here, I don't know. How fast am I supposed to see results? Right away? I feel it. Not on my lips. On my eyes. I was nervous to put it on my eyes. I didn't know how it would. I'm scared. It's not doing anything. Do my lips look more plump? Okay, I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes. I hate the packaging of it. And I don't know how often I would actually use it, but let's see if it works. I will be back in like 5 minutes. Okay, I see no change. I don't really feel plumped. I feel slightly sticky. And I am going to leave it there. We'll talk about that at the end. Moving right along. It looks like we have a... Oh, see, I love off-the-shoulder garments, but This be pissing me off. Looks like we have a mascara from Luna Magic. It says, just one sweep of this innovative primer mascara glides on to evenly coat and smooth your lashes. So it's $25. We'll put that on at the end. Next, we also have another like skincare product. This is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. I obviously can't try this out for you guys, but I'm so excited. First of all, it's huge, but I'm not out of, but I use the Core's Greek Yogurt face wash and I'm almost out of it. So excited to get that. And that is $32, so it ain't cheap. The last thing in here is this Cosmic Drip Maven Beauty. It's Maven Beauty. The palette is Cosmic Drip. Manifest in otherworldly drip worthy of a cosmetic babe. These bite-sized eyeshadow palettes are packed with high-intensity jewel tones and sparkling metallics. Oh, it's a little quad. It looks like this, and wow, do I love that. Let's do some swatching. Oh, wow. Okay. Finally, some promise. If you haven't seen my last video, I use the Candy Skies palette. I'm going to use it today just for a transition shade because all of those palette colors are shimmers in there. So I'm just going to put a transition shade right into my lid here before I go in with one of those shimmers. All right, so these are gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna take, they don't have names. One of them has name. One of them has a name. It's this one right here called Stargate. I'm gonna take this one. First of all, I love this packaging. It's like magnetic or something, but it is so cute. I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna tap it all over my lid. Nothing crazy. Stunning, darling, stunning. Okay, not as pizzazzful as I would like, so I'm going to take this gold shade right above it and put that right in the middle. Something weird is happening like right here. I don't know. Oh, it was probably sticking to that serum I had down a little strangely. All right, let me do this on the other eye and I'll be right back. I got to figure something out. All right, so I have my full face on. All that's left is this lash primer, and I think that's it, and then we'll talk. But Luna Magic lash primer base. It's pink. I'm so scared. It's pink. It's not turning my eyelashes pink, which, you know, I'm grateful for. It doesn't say how long I need to wait to put my actual mascara on. I don't know. So I put a layer or two of that on. Let me put, oh, it is slightly pink. Can you see that? Very slightly pink. Okay. I have so much shit all over my desk. Let me put my real mascara on and see if there's a difference. I don't expect that there will be. I think lash primers are kind of a myth. All right, I'm gonna be honest. It didn't do, in my opinion, anything. I think it's just an extra step in my routine and I don't think I need that. So the lash primer is a no for me. Let me quickly add up the total. So it's a $132 box. And I feel like that's on the lower end. Maybe not. But I just don't feel great about this box. Let's kind of recap. The lash primer, I mean, I don't even know if it worked because my eyelashes don't look any more spectacular than they usually do. It's just okay. All in all, this box was just okay. It's very skincare heavy and I don't think that it's the skincare that I wanted. That being said, that is the end of this video, everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. before you leave, and make sure you come back for future videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, both linked in the description box down below. This is like the only good thing, and love you. Oh, have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.